Multiply 4,615 by 365 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 1 plus the carried 2 is 7. 5 times 6 is 30. Put 0 in this column and carry 3. 5 times 4 plus the carried 3 is 23. The first partial product is 23,075. Now use the tens digit, 6. Start one place to the left. 6 times 5 is 30. Put 0 in this column and carry 3. 6 times 1 plus the carried 3 is 9. 6 times 6 is 36. Put 6 in this column and carry 3. 6 times 4 plus the carried 3 is 27. The second partial product is 276,900. Now use the hundreds digit, 3. Start two places to the left. 3 times 5 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 4. 3 times 6 is 18. Put 8 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 13. The third partial product is 1,384,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 7 plus 0 is 7. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 9 plus 5 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus the carried 1 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the 10 negative thousands column, 2 plus 7 plus 8 plus the carried 1 is 18. Put 8 in this column and carry 1. In the hundred negative thousands column, 2 plus 3 plus the carried 1 is 6. In the millions column, bring down 1. The whole negative number product is 1,684,475. So 4,615 times 365 is 1,684,475.